we can have clear overview for all hotels that we have contract with. We go here in the overview, and here in this button, cleaning report, then we can choose, if you click on it, we can choose month, and say, I will take a look in August, and then we can choose the company. This is all the company that we have in the system right here connected, and we first will choose this company, click on it, then we can have overview from August about all the cleaning. This is what's happening per day, all the units that we cleaned, and this is also another view. This is how many times 101 have cleaned this month. 9 times, 102, 7 times, 103, 10 times, and so on. And then it's very easy to connect everything to the bookkeeper system and send it with one click. We can connect it here, and if we have some AP key and password here that we use to connect our bookkeeper system, and then it's possible to send all these things with one click to the system, and the system update and send it to the customers for charging.